Hello everyone, today we'll introduce with you our small speakers. We have two colors for selection, and let me show you some details in aluminum shell. And here's the function for adjust the mode and here's for the power, and these two for adjust the volume. Let's try and test the sound quality. Let's turn on the power and
Bluetooth mode.
connect the Bluetooth. Miccell SP67.
Connected.
Then connect it. Let's play the song. Long place for the volume adjust and one place for switch the song. Next song. Last song. So we have two colors we have in our inventory, and here's our package. It's our premium products. If you are interested in our model speakers, please feel free to contact us. This model we have in stock can support fast delivery on 48 hours. Choose Miccell, enjoy innovation. Let's make money together. Thank you.